Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Showfoto package is not available on Ubuntu-based repositories, so you can install it directly by running the following command. Once the download is completed, adjust it via command line by running the Showfoto command, or you can go into your desktop and find there Showfoto by the icon or by the searching bar. Showfoto will be launched as shown. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.